This section will review basic navigation in Dynamics 365 for retail. As you can see, Dynamics 365 for retail is cloud-based, so it's launched inside of a browser. This is the black bar that runs across the top of the page. It's also referred to as the action bar. This is where you can access Dynamics 365, use searching, change companies, and utilize other tools. Here you can see the current company you are using, and you can click the company to switch to other companies for your organization. In Dynamics 365 for retail, if you switch companies while in a specific form, retail will let you switch companies without the user having to navigate back to the form. The form will change depending on the company you have selected. The search feature is a new and exciting feature. Dynamics 365 for retail provides functionality for a wide array of industries and verticals. The application includes a number of areas and pages to help you perform various tasks. To quickly find the pages that you need to complete your tasks, use the navigation search feature. To use this feature, click the search icon to display the search box. You can then type in one or more words into the box. The system automatically searches for relevant pages in the application that match the words you've entered. For example, you could type vendor invoice as the input, and then the system will display results that match that input. In Dynamics 365 for retail, workspaces have replaced role centers, which were used in previous versions of the system. Workspaces improve the efficiency and productivity of workers by letting them centrally manage most of their tasks and actions that are related to channel deployment, store management, financials, and other retail-related roles. Dynamics 365 for retail users can create custom workspaces or personalize the workspaces that come out of the box. You can click the Show System Messages icon to show all your messages in the system here. This icon will display a number badge if there are messages to view. You can click the feedback icon to leave feedback about the Dynamics 365 for retail product. To view system settings and task recording settings, you can click the settings icon. The help icon will let you learn more about Dynamics 365 for retail. The help icon also has the Dynamics 365 document site built in. This wiki will automatically search for content that's related to the form that you have open in Dynamics 365. The task pane will allow users to view their Dynamics 365 apps, as well as browse for more apps here. In the navigation pane, this is how users can navigate to workspaces and modules in the system. Here you can pin the navigation pane to the home page and view favorites as well. The Office 365 button will allow users to access the Office 365 portal. And finally, in the bottom left, we can view work items that have been assigned to us in the system. On the left side of our screenshot, we can see the navigation pane. This is how users can navigate to workspaces and modules in the system. Here you can pin the navigation pane to the home page and view favorites as well. Every module in Dynamics 365 for retail includes the workspaces that come out of the box that are related to the specific module you're in. The workspaces are larger in font and have a round image next to them. Users can favorite forms in Dynamics 365 by clicking the star next to the form. Once the form is a favorite, you can view it and access it quicker in the navigation pane. Users can also choose to dock the navigation pane so it will always display in the system. This can be performed by clicking the tack in the top right corner of the navigation pane. The action pane will vary depending on the form that you are using. Typically, though, it's made of several tabs that are useful for the page that you're currently on. The action page should almost always have an edit, new, and delete buttons on all forms. The action pane contains several different tabs that vary depending on the form that you're using. Each tab contains related actions or functions related to the tab that you have open in the system. You can perform an action in the search field here. This field will search the form that you're currently on to find whatever action you might need. The Open in Office button will open the current form in Office 2016. This button will allow you to view or add attachments to a record. And the refresh button will allow us to refresh the form. We can also choose to pop out our current form into another window by clicking the Pop Out Window button. And the X is going to give us the option to close the form. The other feature you'll typically find is the option to search and filter by entering in text in the filter field.